The AfriLit podcast shares the stories of multifaceted Africans, one episode at a time. The podcast aims to uncover the untold stories of modern and millennial Africans who are based in various parts of the world. Each episode gives listeners an opportunity to learn and experience conversations that showcase who they are and their global perspectives in our ever-changing world. Be sure to listen and subscribe to the AfriLit podcast on Spotify or wherever you listen to your favorite podcast. You can also follow at AfriLit Podcast on all social media platforms. You're listening to the news of this hour on Africa Business Radio. The tax revenue accruing to the federal government from production sharing contracts with international oil companies operating in the country fell by $45.72 million in May. The tax lifted as oil by the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation on behalf of the Federal Inland Revenue Service dropped to 2.56 million barrels, valued at $59.34 million in May, from 4.38 million barrels in April, according to data from the corporation. The NNPC holds the concessions and the contractors fund the development of the deepwater offshore blocks and recover their cost from the production after royalty payments. According to the Nigeria Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative, all in-kind revenues are lifted by the NNPC on behalf of the relevant agencies or the Federation, with proceeds deposited in the relevant accounts. And that was the news at this time on Africa Business Radio. You can continue to listen live online at www.africabusinessradio.com or via our mobile app. I am Rachel Chijindu. Thank you for listening.